Good morning. Today marks the beginning of our annual training. It's gonna be a good time.
What's up, guys? As you can see, it's pretty late in the evening. It was actually gonna be a very uneventful day. At around 9 o'clock, we got a call saying that we need to go do a recovery mission, so that's what we're getting ready to go do. To pick up some LMTV that broke down, I guess, so that's the mission now. So here we are, ladies and gents. Here we are. That is what we have to tow attached to this.
Oh my God.
Need a headlamp?
You got one?
Yeah. Look at that beaut. That beast. You good?
Yeah, just on top of my head.
Oh, yay.
Let me see the other screwdriver.
Copy. Tape coming right up.
Tape around this, that way the caps stay on.
Good.
That's good. That'll hold it in place long enough.
Hey, we got it off. Oh shit. Oh, did not know that was supposed to do that. Whoops. Seatbelts it. Good drive line. Alright.
I got air hoses.
Okay. All hooked up now.